Welcome to the personal property tour for 111 Ashgrove in Methilhill. This is a spacious 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. You've got open plan lounge dining space, you've got a nice new kitchen, spacious inside, you've got lovely enclosed rear garden as well, and it's in a great location. I'm just going to flip the camera and take you on the tour. So this is the property here. You can see here you've got a shared pen at the side as well, which takes you into the rear garden. So you've got this enclosed front garden area. But actually the beauty with this property as well, you can come off the street for your parking, so it's fantastic for that. And as you can see, it's a nice family home. I'm going to just take you on the tour. So we've got this nice area to the front, so it's lovely and enclosed, which is fab. Love the big trees there, gorgeous. So lots of potential with the garden space. And then we're going to go into the entrance hallway. So as you can see from the entrance hallway, nice and bright, lovely and airy and spacious. We're going to start upstairs. So we'll head upstairs. So you have your 2 bedrooms upstairs and your family bathroom. Both of the bedrooms are lovely and spacious. So we'll head into bedroom number 1. So nice big double room, as you can see. Big window there. Lots of natural light coming in. Nice and spacious. And the bonus with this one as well, you've got a walk-in wardrobe here as well and dressing area, which is fantastic. So really nice sized room. Overlooks the front, as you can see, got some nice views. And then from here we'll go back out into the hallway. Lots of storage as well in this property, so you've got a big cupboard here and also you've got access to your attic space. So another big double bedroom, so bedroom number 2. Again, it's a good sized double. Overlooks the rear garden. As you can see, nice and quiet. Great sized room. Really are nice and spacious, these rooms. Then head into the family bathroom. So you've got a nice P-shaped bath here. You've got your thermostatic shower control with your rainfall shower head, your WC, and your sink area. Lovely big window, nice and bright, isn't it? Quite open at the top of the stairs as well. And again, as we go down, you'll see just how nice and airy it is. Lots of natural light coming from the window here in the door. And then straight ahead, we're going to head into the dining lounge. So lovely space. So it's a 4-seater table we have here. Got a big L-shaped sofa there as well, so lots of room in here. You've got nice cabinetry and inbuilts here. You've got dual aspect windows, which makes it lovely and airy and spacious. It's a big room, isn't it? So great family space. From here we're going to head back out into the hallway. So once we come out in the hallway, you've also got this understair area as well, so really handy. And then straight into the kitchen area. So you've got this nicely finished fitted kitchen. So you have your integrated appliances, so you've got your double oven there. You've got your hob and your extractor. You also have fridge and freezer, which is great. Just a lovely, lovely space. You've got your dishwasher here as well. It's a nice sized kitchen. Nice finish to it as well, which is grand. And then we're going to head outside. So head out into the garden. Instantly you'll see you're not overlooked at all, which is fantastic. Really safe and secure, totally enclosed as well. So if you've got pets, young children, future proofing for them, it's just all done for you already. You can see there's lots of greenery as well, so it's really nice. Got a great patio area, lovely stonework here as well. When you come around to the side here, you'll see the gate there that takes you out to the share pen. You've got this great storage area here with this really nice sized shed. You can maybe make that into a nice summer room. Potentially have a patio area at the bottom of the garden. But you can see it's a lovely space, isn't it? And the fact you've got all the storage here as well is great. And it's totally enclosed. It just offers really nice family living as well. Just have a look at it from this angle. And you can just see how lovely that is. It's nice and peaceful, it's quiet. So to summarise, this is 111 Ashgrove in Methilhill. It's a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. New kitchen, spacious dining living space. You've got the off-street parking to the front as well. You've got lovely landscaped rear garden. It's in good condition, lots of space for a family here as well. Not only that, it's in a great location within Ashgrove too, so literally just opposite the property. You could walk to it when the Cameron Briggs station opens next spring. That's going to be really handy to have. Your bus routes are fantastic. You've got Methilhill Primary School as well, but actually if you're thinking of an older family, your teenage kids, you've got the academy as well, literally within walking distance. Commute wise, you're 10 minutes into Leven. Everything that has to offer. So you've got the promenade, the beaches, the 5 coastal path, the swimming pool, the high street, and actually that train station that's opening as well come spring. It's in a great location, future proofing as well. So if walking and sports and the beach side is your thing, you definitely get that there as well. So it offers a great lifestyle, but it's so quiet. Isn't it just beautiful? This is Personal Property Tour. If you're interested in the property, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. My name is Perry at 5 Properties TV, and also the price point is in this link, so feel free to give us a call.